Hey guys, today I'm going to give my honest review of this 10-inch multifunction serrated knife. I love this, so I'm going to jump into everything I want you to know about it. First being that this is re-sharpenable. How awesome is that? Here I'm going to give you the unboxing experience. I felt that was important because it comes in a beautiful gift box, making this ideal for anniversary gifts, housewarming gifts, you name it. It's a great gift idea, but also a great thing to have in the home. Now this is made of high carbon stainless steel. It does come with a black handle. It is serrated, making this ideal for cutting things like bread, but also I wanted to demonstrate cutting some fruit because you can cut a lot of different things with this, which I really like. I don't think I'm ever going to get another bread knife. This works so well. It's incredibly razor sharp. It's got a professionally satin finished blade, so it gives precision cutting, which I really like. It's got an ergonomic triple riveted handle to give it balance and comfort. So if you do have to hold it for long periods of time, it is going to be comfortable, which I appreciate. And here I'm going to jump right into how awesome it cuts bread. I am a huge sourdough person, so having a knife that cuts bread well is really important to me. Look how effortless that was. Oh, I love it. So if you are looking for a multifunction serrated knife, I definitely recommend this one.